Hey, I'm Alex and welcome to Shake It Till You Make It, where we're breaking down classic cocktails to their foundation to understand why these cocktails work and how to create your own. Today, we're looking at one of the most popular drinks out there, the Margarita. This is one of my favorites. It's pretty near and dear to my heart because not only do I think it's delicious, but it was really the first cocktail that I got into my arsenal and really could understand how to create new flavors and make it my own. So let me grab some tequila and we'll get started. I got a little bit more than just tequila. We have our Cointreau triple sec tequila, shakers. Let me get the lime juice. Here it is. First, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take half a lime, cut it up so we can muddle it in the shaker. We're gonna add 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice, 3/4 of an ounce of the triple sec. We're using Cointreau, but really any type of triple sec's gonna do. Ooh. 2 ounces of tequila. It's really about having 2 ounces of the tequila or whatever amount you want, and then balancing that with about equal amounts of sweetness of the Cointreau, sour of the lime juice. We get some ice. Thanks, friend. And we're gonna shake it. We're gonna strain and filter for that nice margarita. I'm gonna garnish today with a lime wheel. I think it looks really beautiful. Cheers. Yeah, so good. Crisp, refreshing. It's just absolutely delicious. Like, even with just this same ingredients, there's so much you can do. You know, whatever flavors you feel that you want in your drink and that's really gonna make you happy, that's what you should put in there. We believe that the margarita evolved from the Daisy, a classic Mexican cocktail, which was just citrus juice, grenadine, typically brandy, served over shaved ice. This drink became popular during the Prohibition, as many drifted over the border looking for liquor. It was also rumored that it was first seen in the Balinese Room in Galveston, Texas. Back in 1948, it was a swanky nightclub that had a dance hall and an illegal casino. One of the bartenders, Santos Cruz, was in love with the house singer, Peggy Margaret Lee. He created the drink for her and named it after her. Let me see what we have in the fridge. Ooh. All right, we got some cucumbers. So we're gonna make spicy cucumber Take 2. We're gonna make some spicy cucumber margaritas. So first, we're gonna take a peeled and seeded cucumber, just slice it, and then throw that in the shaker. And you're gonna do the same thing we've done all along. You're gonna take your lime. We're gonna take some jalapenos. I like to be a little extra careful. I've made batches of spicy margaritas and spent the night with baking soda on my hands. So do not take the jalapenos lightly. So we've got our cucumber, our lime, and our jalapeno, and we're just gonna muddle these. And this is really gonna release the cucumber and the jalapeno, and that's what's gonna make this drink unique. And then we build it just like we did before. 3/4 ounce of lime juice, 3/4 ounce Cointreau, a splash of simple syrup. And literally when I say a splash, it really just is a splash. And we take our 2 ounces of tequila. All right, let me grab some ice. You know, a couple good shakes is really gonna get it mixed together, but you wanna wait till the whole thing's cold. Break the seal because as it gets mixed and nice and cold in there, the cold air contracts, so you might have to fight it a little bit. And we're gonna double strain. Ooh, really nice. I like to garnish it with a cucumber wheel. There you go. Cheers. It's really good. It's very similar to the original margarita. Ooh, but you can that's the jalapeno. Then it hits you. But it is sort of mellowed out a little bit by the cucumber, which really adds a nice flavor to it. But it's absolutely delicious, and I highly recommend it. Let's add some watermelon. We're gonna make, again, spicy watermelon margaritas. So we're gonna start by taking some fresh watermelon. The watermelon muddles really easily, but it's still nice to give it an extra little cut, because why not make it easier for yourself and having a drink? And we'll take half a lime. You want to cut this up as well. And why not? We'll add a little bit of spice to it. So we'll add a jalapeno. Again, be very careful with these in your hands. I'm gonna muddle it together. Now we'll add 3/4 of our Cointreau. Instead of 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice, we're gonna add about 1/2 ounce of lime juice and 1/2 ounce of this Bai watermelon juice that we found at our local CVS. How could we forget 2 ounces of tequila? Ice for the shaker. Ice for the glass. And we'll shake it till we make it. See what I did there? You're gonna strain it and then filter it. We'll garnish with a little piece of watermelon. There you go. Spicy watermelon margarita. Cheers. Yeah, it's just so, it's really sweet, and the watermelon really is not an overpowering fruit. That and the lime really work together, and then I think I had a lot less seeds in this one, so it's not as spicy as the other one, but the spice really, like, they all work together, and it's just so nice and sweet, and with a little spice. This is what we had laying around in our fridge, but there's like so many fruits, and then if you start adding in salts and more garnishes on the rim, then you can just enhance this and really just take it wherever you want it to go. So let us know what you find and what you can create, and we'd love to try it. Cheers. Oh, you're still here? The video's over. Just like and subscribe. We'll come out with more great stuff.